Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is Kat, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I'll be spending my day with my siblings. So I'll be spending some quality time with them. I'm about to go out and meet my younger sister and also my younger brother. So thankfully, we're all available for today, and I'm quite excited because they haven't been there yet. It's only my best friend and I, so we're like we discovered that place, and I was really very excited to tell them that that place isn't very crowded. So and yeah, so basically I'm excited to film this day. It's gonna be a memorable one for sure. So it's just simple, chill, and fun day, and I wanna document it and share with all of you guys. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Thank you in advance for watching the rest of the video. I'm a gloomy kind of gal, so as you can see, it's very gloomy already. So it's a good sign because it means that it's like winter is just around the corner. So I'm very excited about it. So yeah, my sister already messaged me. I will meet them at a metro station, the closest metro station before we take the tram. So yeah, so I'm kind of in a hurry already, but I told them, I told my sister that it's better for us to be it's better for us to meet earlier because it gets darker already, like around 6 or 7, and I really want them to see the area when it's still when it's still like earlier, when it's still not dark. So yeah, it's also good, it's also nice at nighttime, but it's better to like see them, or see the area I should say, while it's still not dark. So I'm walking towards the metro station, and I hope that I reach there before they do. Although I know that they don't mind, but my sister and I are like, we, when it comes to time, we can be late, like both of us. So hi, Mamo, I think we got it from you. And the boys in our family, like my brothers, both of my brothers are almost always on time. So yeah, I hope that you can feel how, like here in Dubai or in the UAE, basically if it's hot, it's really hot, and it's such an exciting time when like when the climate is already changing into winter. So yeah, it's very gloomy. I can already feel cooler breeze, so that's a very good thing. Yeah, so anyway guys, later. We're here. Mag-hi ka na kay Mamo Swa. Hi, Mamo. We're vlogging. We're together already. Ta-da! So we're gonna go biking. We're going to the tram. Bakit ano?
not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
We're at the tram already. May pasok siya. Ate May? Hindi. Minute na sa Ate Beth. May Saturday, Sunday yung off niya ngayon. Ganda ko ngayon. Diba? Ganda ko naman maganda kahit wala kang aray ko. Hey, we made it! We're here at JBR1. So, it's their first time here. We're ordering some like coffee. Yeah, 3 coffee. That's samosa, right? How much? 250. Is that chicken or chicken and veg? So, two veggie or chicken?
Mix yata yan.
Two veggie.
Chicken.
Chicken. 1 chicken, 1 vegetable. Yeah. Thank you. Samosa. We're gonna have samosa. So we bought some croissants. Pwede natin lagay na dito.
Sa akin ba to?
Oo.
Vegetable daw.
Thank you so much.
Pati saan to?
Gusto ko kasi ang ganda ng niya. Tingnan mo. We're here. It's almost dark, but it's okay. Nice. Let's have some snack first. So we're here. We're just gonna have some coffee first and some snacks before we go biking. Ta-da! See how beautiful my sister is. Ta-da! Baby face.
Talagang inaano nilang active dapat ang ano.
Dito dapat sa camera.
Kaya dumikit sa akin, baka may maramay. Masalubong ako. Ngayon mag-isa lang ako.
Normally, we get our bikes from that station, but since it's a weekend, there's no available bike. So we're walking. It's her first time to Go biking here. 1, 2, 3. Nice. You can do it.
Ay, picture ba yan? Ay, video.
Video. Oh. Kaya nga, pero ano?
Wala pa yung training wheels?
So, worst comes to worst, bitawan mo yung bike. I-save mo yung ano, yung sarili mo.
Talong ka dyan.
Mag-practice na ako.
Punta ka doon. Yan. Kaya mo yan. Yan. Relax lang. Huwag ka muna magno-no hands, ha? Yan. Woohoo! Good job! So proud of you. Wow, single hand. Good job. Basta dire-diretso lang sa ano. Alalay lang sa brake.
One, two, three. May flash to?
Wala.
1, 2, 3.
Nice. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. Taka. Yan. 1, 2, 3.
Huwag tumigil ako, titingnan na siya.
There they are. So we're biking. 1, 2, 3. Bakit? Sabi mo, expected ba yan? Do the honors.
Parang
Teka, ganito ko. Para maano.
Anong hada?
Ang ginagawa ko dyan, parang ini-slice ko ng parang pizza. Parang pag ganon. Oo, pag ganon. Yan.
So magaganito ka ba? Kasi masisira.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Yeah. Ang ganda pa nung tugtog. Sabihin, Rose. Ang bango, Marian.
Yung? Ang bango. Yeah.
That is so good. Thank you. Ang bango, no?
Muna ka?
Alam
you.
mo ano ko yung maganda idagdag?
Pare, na-capture ko. Sorry.
So, we're gonna say goodbye now. We're gonna enjoy our biking. So, till our next bonding. The first timer, ang galing-galing na niya. So,